Hi guys, got one of those wooden construction kits, or Woodcraft construction kit. I think we can work out it's a submarine. Cost me £1.50 in a charity shop. It's Woodcraft construction kit serial number P042. Importer Agital. That's interesting. It's usually key imports are the ones I pick up. This looks, is that Polish by any chance? I think it probably is. Anyway, we'll have a go. For those people who say they can't find the instructions, on the back. There's no physical put part 1 to part 2 and that sort of thing. All the pieces are numbered, and you find slot number 1 and you look for part number 1 to slide into it. And what I usually do is write all the numbers on it first so that I know where I'm going. But I haven't got a pencil handy, so we might try and go without, just for the fun of it. job done, but I'll just go and shut that curtain. Yeah, there we are.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.